Hello, today my dad is covering the Crosman F4 pellet gun rifle. Welcome.
How's it going? My name is Terry. I'm going to cover this Crosman F4 rifle. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then I'm going to shoot it down range, let you see how it fires. It's a break barrel. Right here, you actually put the pellet in, pop it up like this, take it off safety, and it's ready to fire. It actually covers on most pellets about 1,100 per square foot, or it'll cover what was it, 1,200. It's a nice little baby. It's great for hunting. The scope it comes with is 4x32. It's good in a pinch, but I would rather you get something better. That's what I'm going to do soon. And it actually fires at 177 calibers, and pretty nice baby. I like how it has a little pistol grip, and it has a silencer on the top to reduce about 70% of the noise.
One.
Alright, now I'm going to fire at the target.
Alrighty.
Try to get it centered.
Not bad.
Hit just slightly south of the target. Not too bad.
Yeah.
You got it stopped?
Go. Was that a miss? Yeah. Keep on trying.
Now it looks like it's just slightly to the right of the target.
Ah.
Hello. Alright, now I'm going to have Jacob actually fire. Give me 1 second. Go ahead.
Oh!
Ah, he actually fired better than I did.
Got it right there. In the
Yeah.
dot. That is awesome. Okay.
Alright. Alright. After he made the bullseye, he's going to fire again and see how well he does. See if he can get a shot tight group again. Alright, go ahead. Ah, it looks like he ain't too far off.
Got it right here.
Yep.
Alrighty. Not bad. Not bad. It's a good gun.
Alright, now we'll try it again.
Start.
Alright, after my son made pretty much 2 bullseyes, I'm going to go ahead and try my shot again, see what I do.
Not bad.
I think that was 9, right?
Yeah, it's all the way down on the bottom. It's in the lower section.
Right here?
Yeah.
Well, I suck.
Forward.
Alright, I gotta avenge my last shot because that really sucked. So I'm gonna do it again.
Focus. That was close.
Looks like it was right there.
Awesome. All right. Good job.
All right. Well, we can honestly say it's a good gun. I think I just suck at it right now. That's probably why my son's beating me. But when you need to actually be able to hunt, I think pellet rifles are the best. And even BBs if you get the right gun with it. The reason why is because when you're actually, like say, end of the world type scenarios, or just when the economy is real bad and ammo is real high and stuff like that, when you actually have your guns. Pellets are only like maybe $5. Where if I go buy a fucking a box of like 9 mils, I could be paying almost $60. So it's a huge difference. And most of the time, the only thing you need is to kill squirrels, rabbits, fowl, pheasants, and actually have a little pellet rifle like this. Works wonders. Paid $100 for it at Walmart, and I don't think you'll regret it. I actually know quite a few people who actually hunt with pellet rifles alone. They actually have other guns, but pellet rifles will actually do most of what you need. And don't worry about the caliber. I know a lot of people are saying, oh well, 177 is not powerful enough to do anything. 177 will kill you if it's hitting the right part of your body. You don't need 22s or 35s or things that are way more than what you have. 177 will do the job, especially against a rabbit and a squirrel and all that.